Want to start with honesty. I've been away from YouTube for a long time. My last video was in January of 2023. And the truth is simple. I had too much on my plate. I was drowning with social media posts. My personal life needed my attention, and something had to pause. I didn't want to show up here halfway present. So I stepped back, handled what needed me, and came back when I could give this channel the focus it deserves. My name is Mimi, and thanks to all my current subscribers for staying here and sticking with me. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. While away, I spent time learning NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming. I became an NLP practitioner, then an NLP master. I studied how the brain works, why people get stuck, and why motivation alone doesn't change behavior. These trainings changed everything about how I live and do business. And during the time I was away, helping entrepreneurs, especially the new ones, this showed me one thing clearly. Most people don't procrastinate because they are lazy. They procrastinate because their brain is trying to protect them. Your mind is built for safety, not visibility, not uncertainty, definitely not entrepreneurship. So when you try to build something new, your nervous system pushes back, not because you're weak, but because your brain thinks something unfamiliar is danger. You see this in three main objections I hear from beginners. The first objection is, I don't know where to start. This feels true, but it's really overwhelmed. Your brain shuts down when it sees too many steps at once, too many ideas, too much pressure, too much fear of choosing the wrong path. The fix is movement. One small task. Cut it in half. Do the smallest version. Your brain only needs action to create clarity. Direction comes after the first step and not before it. The second objection that I hear or that I've heard from most beginning entrepreneurs is I'm afraid of failing or looking stupid online. Trust me, I share this wholeheartedly. When I first started this YouTube channel, I was the same way. Most people aren't afraid of failure. They're afraid of judgment. Your survival system reacts to visibility the same way it reacts to danger. It fires warnings. It tells you to wait. It convinces you to stay small. You can't mindset your way out of that. You retrain your brain. Post something small. Share it once. Let your brain experience safety. Then repeat. Repetition rewires fear. That's neuroscience and that's NLP. That's how your brain adapts. The third objection is I need more confidence before I take action. Confidence is not actually your first step, it's the last step. Your brain builds confidence from proof. Proof that you act when you feel uncertain. Proof that you try even when you're not ready. Proof that you follow through. If you want to feel confident, if you want to wait until you're perfect before you feel confident, you stay stuck. Here's what most entrepreneurs never learn. Entrepreneurship is a nervous system journey, not a motivational journey. When your brain believes action is safe, you stop freezing, you stop self-sabotaging, you stop living in planning mode and actually start doing. You rise when your patterns shift. So get into movement. You don't rise when you're waiting for perfection and not when your pressure increases. So you want to make sure that your pattern shifts and you reduce pressure. So if you've been starting and stopping, thinking instead of doing, planning more than launching, you're not behind, you're not broken. Your brain has actually been doing its job. Now it's time to retrain it. Guys, I'm back. I'm grounded. And I'm here to share everything I've learned about NLP, neuroscience, procrastination, self-doubt, limiting beliefs, name it, and to help you in building a business with purpose. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and stay close. This channel is where I'll be teaching what actually moves people forward. I'll see you in the next video.